Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-Pack Screen Protector plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electrodrive News, where we're always on the pulse of the latest electric vehicle trends and innovations. I'm your host today, and we're diving into a fascinating topic that's set to disrupt the automotive industry in a big way: polymers in electric vehicles. Imagine a world where cars are not only emission-free, but also incredibly durable and resistant. That's what the rise of advanced polymers is all about. These specially designed materials are being used to create lighter, stronger, and more efficient battery cases, body panels, and other critical components in electric vehicles. At Electrodrive News, we've been following this story closely, and it's clear that the impact will be felt across the entire automotive ecosystem. One of the key benefits of these new polymers is their ability to absorb and distribute the stresses of daily driving, reducing the risk of damage and increasing overall vehicle lifespan. This not only saves manufacturers money in the long run, but also provides customers with a more reliable and worry-free ownership experience. But what's really exciting is the potential for these polymers to enable even more ambitious electric vehicle designs, like extended-range models or even high-performance vehicles that can rival their gasoline-powered counterparts. By reducing weight while maintaining strength, manufacturers can create cars that are not only more efficient, but also faster, quieter, and more enjoyable to drive. Now, we're already seeing the first wave of polymers hitting the market, with companies like Tesla and Volkswagen investing heavily in research and development. And it's clear that this is just the beginning. We can expect to see even more innovative applications for these materials as the electric vehicle landscape continues to evolve. So, what does this mean for the future of transportation? At Electrodrive News, we're always asking those questions. As the world shifts towards a more sustainable and electrified automotive future, it's exciting to think about the possibilities that advanced polymers will unlock. Join us next time as we explore more electric vehicle innovations and their potential impact on our daily lives. That's all for today's episode of Electrodrive News. Thanks for watching.